Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about the topic algorithm and flowcharts. First of all, we want to know what is a computer. A computer is an electronic device that is used for processing data and generate information. It is capable for calculation and storage of information. It accepts data from input devices, processed by using processing device that is CPU, and gives results to the external world through output devices. This is what we are calling a computer. Computer manipulates data according to a set of instructions given to it. These instructions are called programs. The programs installed in computer to perform specific tasks is referred to as software. Example of software is operating system. Algorithm and flowchart are two important concepts used to show how the operations are performed in computer. First, we can discuss about algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for doing calculation. It will be in natural language like English with finite number of steps. It always begins with start and ends with stop. Algorithm resembles recipes. Recipes tells us how to accomplish a task by performing number of steps. For example, to make tea, we have to follow some steps. That is, first we have to boil water, add tea powder, add sugar and so forth. Then we can check how to prepare an algorithm to prepare tea. There will be 9 steps. Step 1, start. Step 2, take a pot with water. Step 3, put pot on the burner. Step 4, switch on the burner. Step 5, give time to boil. Step 6, add tea powder and sugar. Step 7, take off the pot. Step 8, pour the tea into the glass. Step 9, store. This is the algorithm to prepare tea. Then next, algorithm to find sum of two numbers. There will be 6 steps. It starts with a start and take two numbers a and b. Add these two numbers, that is a plus b. Store the result or store the value in s. Print s, and the next is stop. These are the 6 steps to find sum of two numbers. Next topic is flowchart. The graphical representation of algorithm to define the solution of a problem is called flowchart. It uses different symbols. First one is round rectangle. This round rectangle denotes the terminal, that is start and stop. Next is parallelogram. It denotes input or output. Next is rectangle, denotes process. Rhombus denote decision box, and the arrows denote flow lines. These are the simple used to draw a flow chart. Next, we can check or we can draw a flow chart for adding two numbers. A flow chart is always begins with a start symbol. Here it is. Start, input a and b. Then we have to manipulate the values, that is s equal to a plus b. Print s, that is result. The next is stop. Next, we can find the largest number between two numbers. Here it is the flowchart for that. For start, input two values A and B. We have to check whether A greater than B or A less than B. It is checked using decision box. Is A greater than B? If A greater than B, print A as a result, else print B as a result. Then we have to move to the stop. This is the flow chart for finding the largest number between two numbers. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.